Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about USD JPY and we'll do the Forex analysis for 25th to 29th August 2025. So let's go straight to our charts. So here I've already opened the charts. Let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see, 0.98% negative move, 146.913 was the closing on Friday. So what are my expectations for coming week, and I'll be sharing some important support and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart. So here in the weekly chart, as you can see, we can see a bearish candle with a small body and a big upper wick with a small lower wick. As you can see, the stochastic RSI is around overbought area, which indicates as a negative move. So here on a weekly basis, stochastic RSI shows us a negative bearish move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only rely or depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support and resistance zone on our one-day chart. So as you can see, I have opened the one-day chart and we can see a good big consolidation from 4th August till today, that is 22nd August Friday. We can see a big consolidation in a one range. We can see a move in USD JPY. So here I have already marked some important support and resistance zone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Also do click on the bell icon for more such analysis, and you will get a notification as well once you click on the bell icon. So here, as you can see, we have already marked some important support zone during our previous week. So there is no different data. We just see what was the closing on Friday. So here 146.913 was the closing. Direct support is 146.495. Direct resistance is 147.154. After direct support, there is a support of 145.968 and then 145.356. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 147.786 and then 148.232. So these are two important support zones and resistance zones that will help you to take better SL and target. So do mark on your charts as well. So currently my expectations for this week is a bit positive. I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 147.154 to 147.786. If you are from India and looking for trades in forex market, like how can you trade forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I've also shared a discount coupon code that you can also use. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So my expectation is a bit of in a positive move in this range. But remember, if you're looking for a downtrend, that is a negative move, then only look for downtrend when 146.495 gets breached and a one-day candle close below this level. Then we can see a move till 145.968. Overall, my expectation is in positive move, positive range. What are your expectations? Do let me know in the comment section, and do follow me for more such analysis. Thank you.